In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a Canva account. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin the sign-up process, search for Canva and access the official Canva homepage. Once the page loads, you'll see options related to signing in or creating a new account. Look for the Sign Up option to move into the registration section where your Canva account can be created. When you arrive at the Sign Up page, Canva gives you several different ways to register. You can create an account using a Google account, a Facebook account, an email address, or other available login methods depending on what you prefer. This makes the process easier because you can choose the option that feels most convenient for you. If you choose to continue using another method, Canva may display additional sign-up options. These can include using a mobile number, a Microsoft account, an Apple account, or other supported services. Canva supports multiple account providers, so users across different devices and platforms can create accounts without much difficulty. For this example, the account is being created using a Google account. After selecting the Google option, you'll see a list of available Google accounts connected to your browser or device. Choose the account you want to use for Canva and continue through the authorization process. Once the account is selected, Canva will automatically begin setting up your profile in Workspace. After a short loading period, your Canva dashboard should appear, and the account creation process will be complete. At this point, your Canva account is fully active and ready to use. During setup, Canva may also show an option to begin a free trial for premium features. If you do not want to start a paid plan, you can close that prompt and continue using the free version instead. The free version still includes a large collection of templates, editing tools, design elements, and content creation features that work well for personal, school business, and social media projects. Once inside the dashboard, you'll notice that Canva keeps everything organized in a clean and beginner-friendly layout. Templates, projects, and editing tools are easy to navigate, which helps new users feel more comfortable while learning the platform. Even if you have never used a design tool before, the interface is designed to make creating content feel much more manageable. That's the complete process for creating a Canva account. After your account is ready, you can begin creating graphics, presentations, videos, and many other creative projects directly inside the platform.